Now this illustration deals with threaded connections. In accordance with NEC 250.92, B as in boy 2. Now we just reviewed 250.92, B as in boy 1. And notice in the meter base, notice that grounded neutral conductor, say, coming down through there. It bonds that meter and bonds in the meter, which was bonded into the raceway for the weatherhead and so forth with the threaded connections. Now here we're looking at a threaded hub in accordance with 250.92B2. With that threaded hub, we do not need any bonding jumper. And sometimes we'll find electricians not fully understanding this will drill into a threaded hub and take a threading device and thread it, put a screw in it with a lug and put a little bonding jumper on it, number 6 or number 8. That's a code violation, and you shouldn't do that. But notice even threaded couplings in your raceway by 250.92B2 is a bonding means of the metal raceway to metal raceway. So this section, 250.92B2, deals with threaded connections that are permissible to be used as a bonding and grounding means in accordance with this figure 16-94.